Fun over here today. These up and downs. I have sway bars. I cut this first, and it was still locked up in there. It's got like a socket end on the bolt to hold, so I just drilled it out. Got the top loose. Now I gotta go down here. I don't know how I want to do this one yet. I get to take a break. I'm gonna, sometimes you forget about penetrating fluid. I'll just spray that really good. Let that sit. We'll go on to some other project for a little while. Come back to this. Falling on this for quite a while. Let's see if we can just break this right off. Oh, if we can see that in there. Oh shit! But that looks like fun. Damn it. Oh well. Cut it on this side and then just knock the chunk out over here. There we go. We can put the new one in now. This is the stabilizer bar. It goes back into place like this. We'll have to play around with a jack underneath this and moving so we can adjust this difference down. So by putting that jack stand underneath the hub there, the brake rotor, we can lower the vehicle down until we're pretty much even up on the top, because let's go a little further if we can. It's pretty close. Is that gonna make it? No, it's almost there. I think that I gotta move that one out. About there, a little more maybe. There. Gotta go a little further. Right there. Oh. I think this is the final. Almost. Right about there. Let's see what we got. Looks good. We'll tighten it up. This is how it goes. It works good with these ratcheting kind of ends, right, like this. But you need an Allen wrench to go and hold this part in the center. And that's why I had to cut them off, because these were rusted and stripped. Couldn't really get on them. That's going pretty good like that. I'll just tighten both ends and jack it up, put the tire back on, we're done. Stabilizer sway. This is the sway bar actually, right here. And this keeps it stabilized up and down with a ball joint system. So the new one in place, torque it into spec. When these go back bad, it feels like the tire's pogoing, like it's like that when you hit a bump. So that's what that usually is on these Corollas. That's the work scene. Had to get the grinder out for the final on the bottom one, grind that nice and smooth, and yeah, time to put it all back together and clean up.